It's another day working at the hotel, so let's get started. Oh, our guys have already came. Hey guys. Ah! Oh, just shut up, sister. Just lift it up. Okay. There we go. Okay, you have got, let me think what rooms you got left. Oh, you have got room 3. And I'll show you where room 3 is. Oh yeah. I'll show you where room 3 is. Okay. I'll show you. Just follow me. Coming. Oops, sorry. That's okay. Hey, wait! Ow! Oh, wait for me. Ow! Hey, whoa! Come on, guys. Okay. I'm sorry. So guys, this is your room. Is it? Here, this is your, whatever it is. Ooh, I like it. I like it. There is actually a little garden. I'm sorry. It's got a little garden. Yeah, it's got a little play garden. Come on. Do you want to see the play garden or the, did you just hear that? Yeah. I think it was something else. Okay. So, come on, let's look at the garden. Just come on. Go in. That's how you get to the garden. Okay, okay. Sorry, that was just me. Can you guys move? Okay, we're moving. Yep, we're moving. Anyway, I cannot get in. Oh, just squeeze your fin. Okay. Okay, and squeeze my fin. God. Okay. Come on, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, I have to go through this tiny little door again. Oh. Oops. Sorry, camera. But the camera isn't real. Hey, wait! Oh, sorry, Sushi. This is your garden, guys. Whoa. 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 Okay, guys, come on. It's actually quite a fun place. I'll show you how to do it. Whee! Does that look good? Yeah. You've made a pile of blood. Oh, I'll clean it up. Okay, okay. Let me just clean it. Okay, let me throw it in the bin. Okay, I'm done. Guys, it's nearly lunchtime. So if you are the first one in there, then you get a special treat. Cool. Come on guys, let's go. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to beg for a tiny door. No, but you go in first. Yeah, don't tell anyone. Okay. Oh no, but other people know. Oh no. I told other people. Okay. So, come on guys. Go and get that special treat. I have to go. Come on, let's go. Yeah, come on, let's go. See cheese. Okay. Okay guys, I'll show you. Oops, sorry Sushi. I'll just okay. I'll show you what you guys. Oops. Okay. So what do you want?